Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll discuss an option that allows you to view and retrieve purchase orders in the purchase challan or purchase voucher using branch filters available in Logic Admin. To enable this setting, open Logic Admin and navigate to Global Settings. Under Purchase Options, you'll find an option labeled Review PO, Purchase Order Delivery Order in Purchase Voucher Challan, Branch Filter. The drop-down list offers several choices. By default, it is set to None, which means that all orders linked to the selected supplier, regardless of the branch they were created in, will appear when retrieving orders. First, let's see how the default option works. Open the purchase voucher and initiate a new transaction. Click on Retrieve Order, and you'll notice that orders from all branches appear in the list. Moving on to the next option, Current Branch, which means that only the purchase orders created in the branch where the user is currently logged in will appear when retrieving orders. Save the settings and restart the software to apply the changes. Once done, navigate to the Purchase Voucher window and initiate a new transaction. Click on Retrieve Order, and you'll notice that now only the orders from the current branch are displayed in the list. Next, we have the option called Current Branch Group Level 1. This setting allows you to retrieve and display purchase orders from the current branch as well as purchase orders from other branches that are grouped together under the same Group Level 1. Once you select this option, save the settings and restart the software to apply the changes. After restarting, open the purchase window and begin the transaction by retrieving the order. When you click on Search, you will see that only the sale orders belonging to the branches in the defined group appear in the list. To configure these branch groups, open the Setup Branch Groups window. In this example, we have already created groups for the branches. At level 1, 2 branches have been assigned to the same group, which means that only the sale orders from these 2 branches will be displayed in the search results. Lastly, we have an option labeled PO, Transfer Branch. This setting allows a purchase order made in one branch to be retrieved in another branch based on the transfer branch you chose while creating the PO. Save the settings and restart the software. Before retrieving the order, first open the Purchase Order (PO) window and create a new order in a branch other than the head office. Enter the supplier name. You'll notice an option called Transfer Branch, which you need to unlock from the configuration settings. This list shows all available branches. Select any branch, for example, let's choose Head Office, and then process and save the PO. Once the entry is saved, log in to the Head Office branch. Now, let's review the option by retrieving the order. In the search window, you'll see that the PO created in another branch now appears in the head office branch as well.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.